Oh, hello there, Internet. Hello, friends, fans, and members of the DEVCYCLE community. My name's Andrew, your friendly neighborhood DEVCYCLE developer advocate, and I am, as always, very excited to be back with you for another episode of Does It Toggle? On today's episode, we are going to be focusing on an ultra-fast web framework built for the edges. You know it, you love it, Hono JS, and we are going to be trying to answer another question: just how fast is ultra-fast, and can you add OpenFeature-compliant feature flags to it? So that is what we are going to get up to today on the stream. I'm so excited that you are here and ready to be part of that. And as part of that journey of being here, I would like to invite you to say hello in chat. So you could be watching this on LinkedIn, you could be watching this on YouTube, you could be watching this on Twitch or on X. Wherever you are right now, please drop in, say hello. I know for a lot of us, it is a Friday afternoon. Some of you, it might be a Friday evening or a Saturday morning. I want to be able to say hello to you. So please jump in chat, say hello as we kind of jump and get things underway here. I'm going to do a few little things in the background. I was trying to get onto wired internet, and I was having some issues there, but we're going to see if we can get our wired internet working. It doesn't look like it is for now, so it's fine. We'll just work on our wireless. We'll go with Wi-Fi. It seems like we've got a good signal right now. But please say hello in chat. And I'd love to just like have a conversation with you today. We're gonna do some fun stuff. We're gonna play with the new JavaScript framework. We're gonna do lots of cool things, but honestly, I really do just want for y'all that are here to say hello. I want you to be part of this journey with me here on our stream. My favorite stream. I love this stream. This is my stream where I get to spend 2 hours just coding, building something cool. I discovered Hono, I wish I knew how to pronounce it, JS earlier this week when I was streaming with my good friend Parth. And I really want to go and explore it a little bit more. We didn't get a big chance to play around with it. Holy moly, we've got a lot of people on X. I don't know who it is that's watching on X, but if you're here, I think there is a chat feature over there. I'm going to go and check. I'm going to go and check and see if there's a chat feature over on X, but I'm pretty sure there is. There we go. I'm logged in as myself. I'm going to go check out my stream, listen to myself. Hello world. Hello. There we go. You can. I literally just sent a message to myself. There it is. Me saying hello. Hello to all of you again. So please come into chat. I'd love to know why you're here. Why are you hanging out with me on a wonderful, wonderful Friday afternoon, mid-July Friday afternoon? I want to know why you're here. While we jump into things. So speaking of the things for which we are going to jump, let's get a screen share up. Which screen do I want to share? I'm gonna try, is it this one that I want to share? There we go, it's screen 3 that I want to share. All right, so I got my screen 3 up here. We've got it working. I'm going to also change myself. I'm going to change which version of this I'm using. I want to use this one. Whoa, that is narrow. Holy moly. Can I fix? I feel like I can probably do something about that. Maybe there. I feel like it's maybe just because there's 2. There's not actually 2 of us there. Let's go to 1. All right, what do I need to do here? Maybe this doesn't actually work. I don't know. Let's cancel this. Let's go back. Discard changes. Let's go back to our other view here. Oh, not that one. That one. That one. That one. This one. Let me know, which do you like best? Which view? How do you want to see me? Do you want to see me like this? Like this? Like this? Like this? I like up here. I like being up in the upper right-hand corner for a little while. We got 13 people viewing here right now. Welcome. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here. Say something. Come into chat and say hello. Or go over into Discord and say hello. I'm over there too. If you're not sure where to find our Discord. Where's our Discord? Where's my banner? No, that's the wrong one. You can find our Discord there. You can come in and say hello. While you're going over there or finding a way to say hello to me, I'm going to pull this up over here. So this is Hono. Anybody know how to say this? Anybody know how to pronounce this, the name of this framework? I want to see. Anybody know? 2022 that's been around from. I didn't realize this has been around for so long. I definitely had never heard of this before. But we're going to go to getting started. We've got lots of ways to do this. We can do Bun. We can do Deno. I like Bun. Bun's so fast. It's like so fast. So I feel like we should do this with Bun. Let's do this. Let's open up a VS Code terminal, or let's open up a terminal. I guess we'll do it here. Would I like to update? I don't want to update. Oh my ZSH. Oh yeah, I guess I will update. OMZ. Oh, hold on. OMZ update. So I don't even know what this thing is. This is something that I installed because of my good friend, Mr. Parth. And hopefully it's worth it. I don't know. Can I round the edges of my screen? I hope that I can. Can I round you? Duplicate. No, I don't want to get rid of that. I feel like I need to try another service. Cancel saves, update layout. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna CD, where are we right now? LS, CD, or LS? Let's go to our desktop, CD desktop. LS, all right, so let's create a new anti-Donna group. Look at all these things. Look at all the things I got on here. All right, so let's get a new directory, mkdir. Let's call this Hono. All right, let's CD into there. And then let's code dot. Where is this gonna open? There it is. All right, and now we can close this. And all right, we're in our project here. Let's open a terminal and let's do some stuff. All right, what stuff are we gonna do? We're gonna do this stuff. And I'm actually gonna make this smaller, not full screen, because then I think I'll be able to navigate back and forth a lot easier. Okay, so quick start. We're gonna run this bun command. I think I've still got bun installed here. Bun's not found. I thought I had bun. Wait, have I uninstalled bun? Oh, that's cool. Love that. Love. All right, that's the Beth stack. Bun JS. So Bun, if you don't know it, it's a runtime. I thought I had Bun installed. I mean, I suppose this will tell me when I go and do something with this. Curl. To get started. Added Bun there. Exec Bun. Bun. Dash help. What? To get started, run O. Oh, this is because it's in ZSH. All right, I get it. Because this is actually different. Bun. Okay. Perfect. So let's actually run our command there now. Did I type it in? No, I didn't. So let's go back to our Hono view here. Let's go our create. And if you've never used Bun before, you're about to experience the joy that is Bun. The speed. Boom. What are we gonna call this? Oh, I guess we'll call it that. Which template do I want to use? There's a lot of templates here. Do I want it to be Deno? I don't even know. Do I not want to use the bun template? What's the default? X basic? I actually want to look at this. Default docs. Installation. Create. Bun create. Local template. Does it talk about our options here? Bun create. From NPM, no. What's it asking for us? Templates? Yeah, this is which template? Bun create templates. I don't actually know what all these options are. Oh, so we don't have a local template. The command will download the country's npm. Following two commands from a local template. Does it not talk about templates? Templates. Okay, bun cd bun install. Create Hono. Select bun when prompted. Oh, awesome. Okay, yeah, so literally this is what I want to do. I love this. Amazing. Look through the documents, people. Okay, so let's go back over here. So we're going to choose bun. Yeah, I want to install the dependencies. I want to use bun. All bun all the time. All right, so let's go in there, cd my app, ls. Let's look at our readme to run. We already ran bun install, bun run dev, bun run dev, bun run dev. Let's look at our local. Wait, what? Bun by default actually just runs Hono? What? No way. Really? So it does. Love that. Amazing. All right, so like we're into Hono already. Love that. Freaking love that. All types of love right now. And then we're just gonna say hello world, make sure it's doing live updates. I'm gonna save this for later. Oh, but what do you guys think of the music, by the way? Do you like this like background music? Yeah, this is good for later. Let me know in chat. Hello world. Not real time, not real updating. That's not ideal. Oh, there was literally a guide to getting started with bun. Bun add Hono. Run. Change the port number. Serve static files. Testing. I mean, sure. What are we doing here? App use static. Get static hello.txt. I mean, let's do this. Let's do what it says. Let's serve some static files. So what are we doing here? Our structure is, love that, source, favicon. Is it in source? No, it's separate. So we're gonna create a static folder here. Static. All right. And we're gonna create a demo. Index.html. Static demo. New folder. Demo. And then we're going to create a demo index. New file. Index.html. Literally just doing this. Demo index.html. Fallback in there as well. Fallback.txt. Hello.txt. Source. New file. Hello.txt. Let's move this inside static. Move. All right, beautiful. And then we're gonna have fallback text, new file, fallback.text. Oh, .txt. Why am I doing .text? Hey, we got lots of people on the stream. Welcome, welcome, everybody. If you're just showing up, say hello in chat. I would love to have a conversation more than just me speaking out to the world. Hello text, images. Okay, let's do this. Serve static. Okay, so now we've got our index.tsx, import app, new Hono, export app. So then we're gonna get rid of that stuff. So now we're using static hello fallback. Do you actually give me an example of this? I feel like if you're gonna say that this is a structure, then you should actually give that structure. I wonder if I go to their GitHub. Examples. Basic bun. Public hello.ts. Running. Babacon. It's not necessarily what I was looking for. Blog basic source. Built-in middleware. Hello async. Add header. Like, this is cool. Blog. That might be more interesting. But then we gotta have a database and stuff set up. Durable objects. Basic. Let's go back to basic. Hello, JSON stuff, response, return HTML, view, return, new response, good morning. Maybe this is actually stronger. Yeah, let's do this. I don't want to do this anymore. Let's go simple, one file. Let's remove this static thing. Just get rid of that. Farewell, static. And let's actually do what they've done here. Create a view. I bet you we need to import something. Maybe not. App-get page. Just copy this. Why is this unhappy? Weird. What's going on here? Weird. Body, hello. Is this just a... I wonder if this is just... Maybe I do need to import view. View. Oh, no view. There is no view in Hono. Where's view coming from? Return HTML. File to source index.tsx and configure to use JSX. Check with each runtime is different. You don't need to use a huge front-end framework. Yes, that should just be pulling in that. No, okay. Okay, what's our syntax error? Is this just because this needs to be indented more? Wonder if there's a Hono snippets. Love that. And then bun, maybe? Bun for Visual Studio Code. I want to know why this is. I think I've got VS Code right in here. It's weird that it's not giving me the option. Quick fix. Fix using Copilot. Accept. Oh, TypeScript. What if I want to just do const app? So this is what we had before. Was this working? I suppose we should have checked this. Yeah, this is working. Okay, return JSON. Let's update this. Let's just like literally try all of these things. API hello. That's gone. But if I go API/hello, it should return some JSON. Love it. Pretty print that bad boy. All right, and request and response, app get ID. No, it's not gonna find anything. Oh, maybe it will. Hold on. That's all right. Drive, casual economist. Drive. What are we going to? Posts ID. Posts 1. You want to see undefined of 1. Posts 1. Page. Oh. Yeah, so that example's not even ideal. I bet you that will work though. Cat/1. Hold on, what's going on here? Query parameter page. Oh, const page request query. Parameter ID. What is page? What is that pulling? Is it with like this? Cat? Oh, whoops. This is weird. What is this doing? Where's it getting this from? Not all here to get page. Let's load this on another one. Show me a URL. Oh, I see. All right, so I want to see page 2 of 103. Okay, all right. Awesome. We didn't post, but okay, we're not gonna worry about that because we don't want to do post requests suitable for returning low HTML. Rename the file to source index.tsx. Oh, maybe that's what it was. Because what's the name of the file now? Oh, tsx. That's why. I was wondering. Now we got some Reactness in there. All right, so that was just me not paying attention to things. Okay, and now we should be able to go to, what was it? Page? 404 not found. Oh yeah, /page. Oh, module not found. What do you mean a module not found? What do you mean module not found? Expected, but found Hono. Hello, Hono. Oh, is it because yeah, oh, I guess that's because I renamed it. Oh. Wait, what do I need to do here now? Package.json, tsx. Hey, there we go. Nice. All right, so now we've got like a functional web application with a couple of different endpoints. Let's look at some of the stuff that we can. It is fast. I mean, let's do a. What do we want to do? How can we test a framework? How to benchmark. Oh, actually, hold on. Page load time. Debug bear. No, we don't need that. I mean, it's pretty fast. I don't even know if we need to benchmark anything. It's good though. Like that, there's nothing. That's super fast. Hold on. Just wickedly fast. 6 milliseconds. I mean, it's not really doing very much right now, so I suppose hosts /1 page equals hello. I mean, it's pretty fast, but I don't know. I feel like you need like a good. We'll look at some examples, guides, miscellaneous. I feel like we'll look at some examples, but let's look at other stuff. So basic here. Netlify, Vercel, edge functions. I love that it appears everywhere. Supabase. I didn't realize Supabase had functions. Best practices. Don't make controllers. You should not. When possible, you should not create things. Then why even put it in there? I do love middleware. So what examples do they give in here? So they give a basic example. Cloudflare Workers. What else? We got a blog, durable objects. What's the blog actually used for? CRUD web API for a blog. Features Cloudflare Workers. KV, TypeScript Wrangler for develop and deploy. Test with byte test. I mean, all of this is all well and good. But we're here for some open feature stuff. And I will say, this stream, I hope to resolve the issue that I had on the last stream, where I wasn't able to get the open feature multi-provider working. I figured out my problem. It was actually a bug on our side, and we resolved it. So we should be good today. All right, so let's go over to Open Feature Web SDK. We're going to install the Open Feature Web SDK. Bun install. We're going to do this with bun. Let's just keep that going. Is this in the right place? LS, my app. CD, my app. I don't want it to be in this my app anymore. I'm going to kill this and then I'm going to move it. Okay, let's move this to here. Can I move it? I want to move you all. There we go, move. And now let's get rid of my app. Yes. My app, delete, move to trash. All right, let's cd ... Oh, whoops. LS? CD. Oh, my goodness. Let's get out of here. LS? LS? Okay, perfect. And let's go bun serve. What was it? It was bun something. Basic. No, I don't want to npm run anything. Bun. Nope. Bun run dev. Bun run dev. Started server. Should be at localhost 3000. It will go pages. Page. Ugh. Okay, it's working. Fantastic. Let's now. I need to move some windows around. Let's unshare for 1 second. I'm gonna move y'all here and then close this. And then share another screen, present, share screen, entire screen. I think I want to share 2, share. Which one am I sharing? Oh, I'm sharing the wrong one again, sorry. Share screen, entire screen, screen 1. Ah, there we go. All right, and let's move these things over. This way I can just like, I can actually look at my code. I wish that you could all exist up here. I suppose you can, technically. No. But I will keep chat open there. Okay, so we're in here. We are in here. Open Feature Web SDK. All right, so let's go Open Feature Web SDK. let's go. Okay, I got that open there. So let's go bun install, bun I, and then open feature. Awesome, super fast. Let's go to our web SDK. Let's do all this stuff, do our imports, index.tsx. Let's do this. Okay, let's see a wait here. Wait, only allow module options, set to ES22. Okay, we'll worry about that later. Is this it? Yeah, and then I need to get the in-memory provider from OpenFeature, new in-memory provider, and then I'm gonna set flag config equals yes there. Oh, I wonder if you'll fill it in. No. Const flag config. All right, let's go grab our flag config from. Where are we gonna get it from? Oh, it's from the tutorials, OpenFeature tutorials. Let's grab that. Yeah, we're literally gonna grab all of this. Might as well just grab all of this, actually. Actually, grab all of, literally all of this. All right, and let's go back over here, and we're gonna literally just paste this. Context is not defined anywhere. That's fine. Oh, it's because it's predefined. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, any other errors here? No. Pitch flag provider, and then let's go with cows. Await with false. This is server side stuff, hey? That's all right. Where's our client side stuff? Feature flag provider, get client. Okay, and let's go comes with cows, get feature flags. Okay, context, we don't need to actually set in there. I don't think with this one, false. And let's console log with cows and see what that returns. So it should return. I'm gonna cancel this out actually. All right. All right. Sorry, I just need to check something. Yeah, I made some stickers printed. Which I will likely have to pause it. Oh, we got a lot of people on stream. I might have to pause the stream in a little bit, but we're not there yet. Okay, I'm gonna make that full screen actually. Okay, so I want to remove this just for a second. And so if you're just watching, you've never seen this before. So what we've done here is we're using the Hono framework. We're using Bun. We're also using the OpenFeature web SDK and the in-memory provider. We're basically using this in-memory provider here, and then setting the provider, and then we're actually calling a feature flag here, and then I'm going to console log that. So that's what's happening right now. Yeah, and it's console logging false. Default variant off. Let's change this default variant on. Weird. Is it going to return that every time? I guess so? Question mark? I think this should go down now. Yeah. I wonder if this isn't actually reading it. Okay. Oh, duh, because... Wait, hold on. Yeah, this should be right. I might be using the wrong SDK here. with cows, variant true, disabled, false, on. This should be returning true. Feature flags. Yeah, open feature get client with cows. Drag provider, set provider, cows. Console cows. I mean, I might be able to do it in here. Let's see. This way, every time that I reload the page, it should do that. But I think that's only for student here. Think. Oh, didn't want to do that. Doing it in there. Ah, there we go. True. So that should be returning true on every page load. And if I change this to false, default variant false. No value associated with variant provider found. Oh, that's right, because that should be off, not false. Yeah, so that's good. All right, so this is technically working right now. So we've got our open feature in-memory provider in here. I want to go and add the DEVCYCLE provider. DEVCYCLE, and I can actually uninstall the web SDK here because we're actually going to use DEVCYCLE for this. So we're gonna go over here and we're actually gonna bun, oh, let me turn this off for a second. Bun uninstall at OpenFeature / web SDK. Bun remove, okay, it figured it out, awesome. Head over to DEVCYCLE. DEVCYCLE docs. All right. Keeping an eye out for that. Pull request. No, we're not going to docs there. We're not doing that. We're actually literally in the docs. You can tell that let's go to DEVCYCLE and I'll go to docs. Okay, here we go. SDKs, JavaScript SDK, open feature. Web provider. Oh, we're just gonna go at DEVCYCLE. Bun install DEVCYCLE hide. Okay, so it's pulling in a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, so now we should be able to do this. Import. All right, so now we've got this, and we're also gonna grab our in-memory provider here. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna grab all this stuff. Feature flags. I'm gonna cancel out a bunch of this stuff right now. Not remove and add stuff afterwards. All right, we got user stuff here. Oh, actually, why don't I add this earlier? Up here. I guess we could set the client earlier. Yeah, I guess we can set the client earlier. So we could do exactly what we did before, but maybe we should name it this way. So let's go this, use open feature client. So let's do a constant open feature client. Then we can remove this. Okay, then we got flag configuration, which we're gonna need. Flag provider, set provider and wait. So it's similar. And then constant feature flag provider. Let's call that feature flag provider. Feature flag provider. Open feature client. Oh, we already have that there, so we can get rid of that. Oh, open feature client, user ID set context, user await, and then we're actually using it like this. Okay, and we're just not calling it here. So awaits. I think it's throwing an error for us because it's saying the top level waiter only expects a module option. Yes, next system preserve I think it's just because of where we're calling this. So let's actually move this into somewhere else. I guess I can do... Can I do this in my... Oh no, it won't actually let me do the await in there either. Quick fix. Fixing Copilot. Accept. Alright, let's actually move it elsewhere. What if I had it outside and wanted to do it where I had it before? Fixing Copilot. I don't actually know what it's done here. It's not actually doing anything. Copilot, what are you actually recommending? Update the await compiler options in tsconfig. Strict. Maybe that's what it is. So this is saying that I just need to go in here and say this. Did that work? Hey, close. Sick. All right. DEVCYCLE open feature provider is declared but never used. Cannot find the module. Oh, DEVCYCLE open feature web provider. Not ideal. Oh, I see. It's probably because of this stuff. Do I not need to have both of those? Maybe that's... I do that. I bet you anything if I do this, I get rid of these, then this is going to work again. Yep. So... all right, what did this say again? Top level await expression now module option is set to ES2022. Okay, let's do that. Let's actually set that to, oh no, cancel. Let's just go module. ES2022. Okay, good, fixed. Yeah, but then we get this, and I feel like all of this is cannot find. Did you mean to set module resolution node next? What are my options here? Node next. I mean, I'm not actually sure what this is doing, but I should probably look this up. But that's a later Andrew problem. No, but it's still not allowing me to do that. So what did it actually say in here? What was my warning? Is it a common JS module? Yes, next. Still doesn't work. System preserve. All right, this is fine. I don't desperately need to do these await statements in the way that I have them. And I don't really know what I'm doing with this module stuff here, so I feel like I should probably let it be and just move these. That's going to be a constant. That's going to stay the same. It's really this stuff. And we don't actually need this information or this information or this information. Let's just move all of this into... Oh, and actually to grab an SDK key. So let's go over to DEVCYCLE, log in. How's everybody doing this afternoon, by the way? There's not very much chat, but there are a lot of people here. Holy moly, we got like 20 viewers. Where are y'all coming from? Say hello in chat. You can say hello in Twitter. X, you can say hi. I know you can because I tested it out earlier. It said hello to myself. Say something. See what's up. We're playing around with Hono. It is very fast. All right. So checking my messages is while I'm doing this. Okay. I guess I got this feature. Let me grab my key. Client key. That's fine. I'm just gonna put this in here. This is not good practice, but I delete these things afterwards anyways. Okay, let's pull this stuff into our... Here, let's get rid of this. Okay, and we're actually gonna do our bool flag. I'll actually create a Boolean flag. I think I need to. Create a feature, release feature, Boolean. Oh, Boolean flag. Oh, let's just literally call it Boolean flag. Create. Okay, good. Variation on, amazing. Okay, and now it's gonna give me a recommendation to fix this. Fix this in Copilot. This is just like a utility arrow function. So what did I actually do there? Oh, it's literally just adding async above that. All right. Perfect. So let's go there. And so this should technically return true when I refresh the page in my console. In my console, I actually need to have something to run in. Bun run dev. Bun run dev. All right, perfect. Localhost page. All right, so this in my console should be returning true every single time. I feel like maybe I'm using the wrong. No, hold on. Is Hono client side or server side? I guess it is server client side compose Hono. I guess is it nothing? If you're in chat and you can answer this question for me. I don't know. I feel like I'm using the wrong SDK. Hono means flame in Japanese. Web framework, okay. This doesn't answer my question though. Hono JS client side or server side? I mean, technically it's working, but Hono X. What's Hono X? Goodness. Maybe I don't fully understand what a client side versus server side is. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I mean, it works. It does the job. I think if I go change it over here, it should update to false. Yeah. So it's working. It's doing the job either way. So we'll play around with it. I don't know. I don't know. I think that Bun versus Node.js. Maybe this is just like my lack of understanding of Bun versus Node.js. Yeah, they're just JavaScript runtimes. Is Hono a client-side or server-side framework? It's nice due to it being fairly it was mainly for server-side. Server. Source server, text description. Workers, JavaScript framework designed to run on, but not just edge runtimes. It's nice due to it being very lightweight. It's mainly for server functions that adds more front-end functionality, which I find quite welcome. Server-side Java. Thank you for spending a few minutes to validate why this project exists. Let's see, Express JS. Oh, I totally read this as a client side, but this is server side. So I actually installed the wrong system. We're gonna undo what we just did. I want to get rid of this because it's not the web provider. Well, I mean, let's find out. It's all JavaScript's all JavaScript, but I'm pretty sure. Okay. Now there should be an error there. Amazing. Oh, goodness. So things were working, but that just because something works doesn't mean that we're actually using it as it was intended to be used. Client side, server side. This may be actually the only way we could use this. I mean, let's find out. Let's see if this works. Let's see if you can plug and play DEVCYCLE docs. DEVCYCLE docs. SDKs. Server-side SDKs. Node.js. Installation. This might break and bun. I'm using bun. Let's see. I feel like this isn't going to play well, but maybe it will. Maybe it's plug and play. Bun, install. Oh, we have 2 installs. Resolving, doing the job, and now we're gonna go getting started. Oh, I did the wrong thing anyways. Whoops. Bun uninstall. Didn't even want to install that. Open feature. Oh, come on. No. Stop. Okay, good. It didn't go anywhere. Home. Bun install. Okay, so we got that. Let's grab this stuff now. Import. What did we do here? Import open feature client, import open feature. All right, let's do this. Okay. Feature flag provider, new DEVCYCLE provider. Don't need this anymore. Oh, let's just get rid of all this stuff. Get rid of all this stuff. Open feature, get rid of that stuff too. All right, so we got our weight. It's not happy with it there. Quick fix, fixes and copilot. This is gonna break things, people. I think that's not gonna work anymore. I think now we're gonna get these import issues. Fine. Close. All right. Set provider and wait. Await DEVCYCLE. Wait, open feature. We'll put it inside that async function that we have down here. Wait. really does not like this. I don't know, guys. I feel like this is not. No, because that's all client side. Hold the phone. Okay. What am I doing here? What am I doing here? What am I doing? Return that. Top of our file. Can't await up here. That makes sense. Inside and our return statement. Okay. We do actually like this. We do like this. Okay, we're good. So we got this. Delete that. Delete that. Delete that. Const, open feature, get open feature client, get Boolean flag, wait DEVCYCLE. We're just going to toss our actual key in there. I mean, I'm impressed that it worked. I'll be honest with you. Server SDK key. Right, wait, bool flag, k constant. Okay, so is this still running? Yes, it's running. Bool flag, set client, DEVCYCLE provider. Okay, any errors? No, we're not going to get any errors up here. Okay, so now refresh that. Now I should get something in. Promise pending. Okay. Okay, wait. So what I'm doing here, actually, let me go into my best practices guide, because I'm doing this. I'm going to do this thing. Oh, did my PR not get merged? Whoops. That's not ideal. I definitely did a PR in here. Await. Do I need to await that? I do need to await that. And then if I change this here, features. That's weird. I feel like they should say that somewhere. Express versus Hono. Interesting. All right. Goodness gracious, me not understanding what I'm doing. All right, so this is good. I guess I could have put things in here. No. Okay, of course, server side. Well, this is why I like it, actually. I think like I'm actually a big fan of server side stuff, and I just didn't realize it. All right, let's go change it here to this. And variation on, enter, go here, refresh. It should have changed to true. Oh, we're getting errors. Missing targeting key. Oh, that's right. Where's my example here? Oh, whoops, set context. Where's my set context? Docs. Server side, Node JS, open feature, set context. Get client, let me set context, targeting key. All right, and fresh should get rid of that error now. True. Okay, awesome. All right, so let's actually set our targeting key to be User targeting key. Let's call this just user or name. Yeah, we're gonna do name here. Name Andrew. Okay, and that should work. All right, we're just gonna get false, 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 false. Where are we getting false? Did I change this to false? I thought I changed it to true. Variation on. Why is that now showing us false every time? Missing targeting ID or user ID in context. Do I actually need to set user ID? No, true, 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 true. All right, yeah, false. Target your user ID. Do I need to set? I guess I do need to set targeting key. Targeting key. Error should be gone. True, true. Okay, it's false. All right, so that's fine. How do I set multiple though? Set the context for the OpenFeature-compliant. All right. Oh, I guess this is because this is specific to OpenFeature with DEVCYCLE. Targeting key. Oh, here we go. This is what I was looking for. And then I can do name. All right, that's what I was looking for. And then name. Andrew. Okay, targeting key. User ID. Hello. Andrew. I'm just gonna do one. I think that'll still work now. True. All right. Oh, what was I doing? I was going over here. All right, and yeah, refresh. True. Okay, and then I should be over here. Change to false. Variation off. Save. Refresh. And it should be false. Oh wait, did I not save? Yeah, we saved. Yeah, it should now be returning false. There we go. Okay, perfect. All right, so here we go. So this is working. We've got an application working with DEVCYCLE and OpenFeature. Hono, great. Kind of very much like Express now that I actually understand what I'm looking at here. But I want to use a multi-provider. And so we're actually going to go into our best practices guide, multi-provider. We need to install our multi-provider. Bun install multi-provider. Bun multi-provider. Spectacular multi-provider here. Server SDK. We already got all this stuff. Great, awesome. We're also going to pull the multi-provider from here. Multi-provider. Provider. Yes. Oh, is that just saying there's two instances of it? Yes. Okay. Oh, not multi-provider. In-memory provider. Awesome. Okay, we can get rid of this. No, multi-provider. Okay, we got this. We're gonna set a user array now. Flag configuration. Let's just leave this for now. Yeah, this will all make sense later. Don't worry about that context. Flag configuration. In-memory provider. I guess I can do all this stuff out here. Set provider. Existing provider, which we have. DEVCYCLE stuff. DEVCYCLE, multi-provider. Okay, let's grab this. So what we have in here now DEVCYCLE client, initialize DEVCYCLE, and then await get OpenFeature-provider. I think this is actually going to work for us. Yeah, we got our await stuff there. Top level await stuff is not allowed. Reserve? I don't know. We'll figure that out after. I do actually want to pull all this stuff out of here. I don't love that it's in there. Just because it's hard to just understand what's going on. Okay. In-memory provider, set provider, no. We don't want a set provider. We actually want to have our multi-provider here. And we've got our in-memory provider, oh no, in-memory with lowercase, in-memory provider, awesome. DEVCYCLE client, DEVCYCLE provider, okay. In-memory provider, DEVCYCLE provider, in-memory provider, lovely. And then OpenFeature set, multi-provider await, client, okay. Wait, so we're gonna put this here. Initialize DEVCYCLE. Okay, that's gone. Set provider and wait is gone because we're not actually setting the provider and waiting. We've already got that. We actually do want to set the context. That's going to be helpful for us. This stuff, though, we are going to move this into here. Yes. That's fine. But then I think we want to create a function that does all of this stuff. I think. Is there like a, what's the life cycle for Hono? Middleware. Body limit, basic auth, app use. Routing. App use, app route, app fire. What's fire? Fetch an event listener, fetch something. Yeah, what are my methods? Not found, return the not found, on error, fire, fetch, request, oh, excuse me, mount, that's what I'm looking for. Lets you mount applications built in other frameworks into your Hono application. I feel like I do want to mount. Oh, mount IDI router. Oh, no, that's not what I want. Oh, I was really hoping that mount was what I was looking for. Bindings, variables, working bindings, variables, app Hono bindings, just auth, get parameters, queries, header, getting started, bun. For default, use static, rewrite path, get. Yeah, I want to do all these things before. You can bun test. Super-based functions, body limit, helpers, accepts, adapter, dev, factory, HTML, adapter, runtime, logger. What does use do again? Does it describe use somewhere else? Oh, app use. App use? App.use. You can write your own middleware inside of app use, console log. Oh, custom logger. Oh, yeah, that's what I want to do. Oh, I actually need to install it to find this afterwards. App use. Wait, next. I don't love that. But I guess this makes sense because it's all server. What's the way to actually implement this server side? I feel like there's probably some example code in our code sample. What do I do in PHP? Auto load, try catch. No, we're not gonna do PHP. I love PHP, but it doesn't apply here. Not React, Node.js. Async function. Run DEVCYCLE. Okay, so that's what we're doing there. So let's do this. I mean, this actually makes sense. This does all actually make sense. Quick fix. Oh, I guess it's because I'm using these multiple times. All right. Cycle. Okay, so this is good. So I need to do something similar in my application. Use DEVCYCLE, reset context, Boolean flag, get Boolean flag that. Async do that. No. Run DEVCYCLE, use DEVCYCLE variable, use DEVCYCLE variable. That's a simple application. Run that. I do need to have this as an async function. I do need an async function. I could leave this here. Probably shouldn't though. All right, try catch. Okay, let's delete all this stuff. No. Oh, maybe. Yes. That might be it. DEVCYCLE client. Yeah, we got that. Okay, DEVCYCLE client. That's done. That's done. Did we do our set provider and wait? Yes, we did. Okay, await set provider. Yes. Set context. Publisher client set context. In memory provider. Let's move all of this inside here too. Let's keep that out there actually. Let's keep that out there. Okay, good. We actually want to move this down here. Set provider and wait. Set context. I don't think we actually need the targeting rules here. Set OpenFeature-compliant. Wait. No. So we don't actually need this here. So that's all good. We don't need this anymore. Maybe we do. Just hold the phone. Cancel out. Apt-get, okay, here. Okay, so I think this is what we want, but now I need to still run DEVCYCLE somehow. Do I just do run DEVCYCLE? DEVCYCLE? False. Can I clear this? Let's clear this. Let's go run dev. Fresh, false. Okay. Let's change our rows over here to true. I think this is set to false. Version on. Updated, refresh. Fresh. Something's going wrong here. Something's going wrong. I bet you if I change this to true, it's gonna work. It's gonna update to true. Yeah, and if I change this to false. I don't think I need to await there anymore either, though. It's fine, I do need to await. Okay, and let's just go in memory provider. No, DEVCYCLE provider. So it should DEVCYCLE provider. Await. Okay, that's good. Set provider and wait. Amazing. Run DEVCYCLE. So it's not having any errors. And then let's just like console log. DEVCYCLE initialize. Not like. Yeah, so it should run that only the first time. How do I clear? Can you clear terminal in here? Clear terminal. How do you clear? Oh, clear terminal. Okay, and then if I refresh, it's going to return false. All right. So this is working. We got Server SDK. We got that. In memory provider, DEVCYCLE provider. Running DEVCYCLE. Do I need to await my run DEVCYCLE? What was my example over here? No, just run DEVCYCLE. Set context. Await OpenFeature-compliant. Okay. So DEVCYCLE does get initialized. And here, oh, but I'm getting client within there. Okay, that I think makes sense. Run DEVCYCLE. Yeah, OpenFeature-compliant, okay. Cannot find name OpenFeature-compliant. Do I need to return OpenFeature-compliant? Let's do this. No, it's going to throw an error. let above there. Let const open feature client. Do I need to do this? Let. Oh, I see. Maybe this is what I need to do. Server SDK. Okay. I guess maybe both of these things? Is DEVCYCLE client? I guess these are just type safety things. But I can update this one. DEVCYCLE client. DEVCYCLE client. What are we getting now? False. What did I change it to over here? Is this false or true? True. It should be on. Okay, it should be true. Okay. DEVCYCLE initialized. OpenFeature client. So that's returning false. Multi-provider, await set provider, OpenFeature get client. So what if I console log OpenFeature client? Oh, there we go. Metadata. DEVCYCLE Node JS provider in memory. Okay. So which is it evaluating first right now? DEVCYCLE provider. Let's change this to Boolean flag. Boolean flag. And I want it to be off by default, and I'm going to turn off the context evaluator. Okay, and then I'm going to get rid of this. Console log. I'm going to refresh this. Okay, that should be returning true. Now if I change this, it should be returning false, and just make sure that's that. On. Fresh. True. Okay, perfect. So this is working here. But now if I change this, because this other multi-provider should work. Oh, but I gotta set the DEVCYCLE evaluation strategy. So this is outside of the thing here. DEVCYCLE migration strategy. Pull DEVCYCLE migration strategy from somewhere. Where am I pulling it from? From there. I gotta go new. And I gotta go like this. And then I gotta go here. Do some migration strategy. Okay, that should be doing it. Yes. Now if I refresh this page, false. Good, so skipping there. Await, OpenFeature client. I think there's an await that I'm missing somewhere. I think it might have to do with the way that I'm actually initializing this. DEVCYCLE client. Await DEVCYCLE client. Multi-provider. Await set provider. OpenFeature client. Get string value. Await. Okay. here. Bool flag, await, get Boolean flag. Okay, so that should, oh, yeah, get Boolean value, yeah. It's returning false, but why is it returning false? Why are you doing this? By the way, hello everybody. There's a lot of people here. Where's everybody coming from? A ton of people over on X. Holy moly. Lots of people hanging out. We are playing around in Hono right now. Right. All right. And okay, bool flag, await open feature client, get Boolean flag. So it's something here. It's something with the way that I'm doing this. I don't know why. No, because I'm setting this up here. Is it because maybe it's because of how I'm, like, the order that I'm doing this in? Can I run DEVCYCLE first? False. So I run DEVCYCLE to get all that stuff. Oh, DEVCYCLE provider. What do I do? DEVCYCLE provider first. And memory provider. If I shut it down, start it again. It still returns false. Definitely have the right stuff here. Definitely all users set to variation on. Server, initialize DEVCYCLE, await, get a feature provider. Lovely. New DEVCYCLE migration strategy. All of this is working as it should. But is this grabbing just the default value here? Like if I refresh this, is it gonna find that default? Like it's not finding the flag? Yeah, it is. It's not actually waiting for that response to return. What if I, so I'm console logging that bool. It's actually doing that. Constant bool flag. Okay, what if I, no, it's pending. I don't need to put this in. No, it's async. Yeah, why isn't this, hold on. Is there another example in here of like an Express.js app? I feel like, yeah, it's just like the way that I'm doing this with the async stuff is I think the Boolean flag, if that console log else set context, await, get Boolean flag, set context, user information. We're setting all this up here. Await, use DEVCYCLE variable, await running this. So await and then await. Await. What do I need to do? Let's move that await. Await? Like, that seems like a lot of waiting. That seems like a lot of waiting. I mean, I guess I can create a function. Async function. Oh, get Boolean flag. Value, await, open feature, get Boolean flag, key default value. Okay, good. So yeah, let's do that. Wait. Get bool flag. There's a lot of waiting here. I'm just gonna say get boolean flag, so that's confusing. Okay, let's see if that does it. Async. So we're awaiting and awaiting. Awaiting awaits. Refresh. Still returning false. What if I change this to true? Okay. Something's going on here. Something is going on here. Does this not need to be async? No, it does need to be async. Oh, am I really doing? Await. So I'm running all of this. This just seems like so many awaits. Holy moly, this is intense. This is a lot of awaits. What if I just run get boolean flag? What if I just run await get boolean flag? What if I just run this up here? Run get boolean flag. And I'm running that, and then I'm running that. If that, return that. This just seems like so silly. I mean, I guess I can. Do I just want to bool flag equals value? No. Am I literally gonna run this up here too? Like, that seems insane. Let bool flag. Let bool flag. I guess so. Bool flag equals await that, and then I can call bool flag down here. Like, I guess so. No, it's still returning false. Is it because I haven't set context? Really? Let's hold the phone. So I didn't even need to do all this stuff? I don't want to do that. I don't want to do any of this stuff. I just want to do this. I don't want that async function. So I would have loved to have seen a freaking error that said what I wanted it to say. Hold on. Control-Shift-Z. Really? Really? So if I do this, I bet you this is going to work now. Yeah, it's going to return true, and if I go over here, it's going to return false. Give it a second. Okay, why are you returning? Okay. Okay. All right. We're getting there. Okay. So, what's great here, believe it or not, is that we are actually in memory provider, DEVCYCLE provider. So we're actually running a functional migration here. But I want to do in memory. So we're going to do some targeting rules here. I mean, do I need to say let context? Let context? I guess I do. Let context. No, because context is set. That's like fed into this. No, I'm not doing that. And we're going to say context name equals Bessie on, otherwise turn off. All right, so now if I switch these around, oh no, in memory provider. Yeah, so this should work. So if I refresh this now, it should. No, it's all good, casual economist. Hold on. Refresh. What is actually showing me here? Nothing? Oh, hold on. This is weird. What did I do? Did I break something? No, I didn't break anything. Clear this maybe? Clear terminal. Okay, let's refresh here. Should still be getting a console log though. Oh, I killed the console log. False. Okay. And then immediately, all I've got to do here actually is change my name Andrew, or the name in the rule, or if I change the name here to Bessie and refresh, it should show true. Yeah. Okay, good. So, awesome. I don't need this stuff anymore. Let me check context. Also, don't necessarily need this. These are just type safety things. I don't need this. Just let DEVCYCLE. And I don't actually need this. I'm happy to just like, oh, I guess I do. Let's just do it the way we're being told. Do it with the type safety. Okay, so here we go. We've got our targeting rules in here, and I'm actually going to move my targeting rules outside. Yeah, I'm going to say user. User information, user context. And I'm just going to set a constant up here of const user context. And do this, and then I'll put this in here. I'm gonna call this user ID. User ID, I think. Name. Oh, get rid of that. This. I think this will find it. Just format this. I guess I don't need to. Question mark. Refresh. Should still find it as true, but if I change my name to Andrew and refresh, it should all come back as false. Okay, perfect. All right, here we go. So, yeah, here we go. So we've got our, so this is basically our flag configuration rules. So this is all related to actually basically creating like a text-based version of the DEVCYCLE platform. So if you didn't realize how this works, we define our variants, we define the name, we set the state, default variant. This is a context evaluator, which is based on the context we feed in. This is the actual context we feed in. This is type safety stuff, which I can actually move above here. Type safety stuff, user async, run DEVCYCLE. So I'm borrowing from other places. Await, OpenFeature that context. I wonder, do I need, I feel like it makes sense to leave that in there. Run, okay, don't need this anymore, but we are gonna run DEVCYCLE before that. I could probably run DEVCYCLE at the end, actually. I don't think it's really going to make a difference in here because rendering stuff will all happen when it happens. Let's see if this works. Refresh. False. What should it be returning? Bessie. And I said my name was Andrew. What if I say my name is Bessie? Refresh. True. Okay. And now let's change our evaluation rules so that there is no Boolean flag in here. Now it should return to true either way. Andrew. I think it should be showing true for everybody. Yeah, oh no, it's showing false for everybody. Variation off for everybody, turn it on, save. Awesome. And if I go here now, refresh, refresh. So I have to actually like refresh my server. Do I have to run, do I want to run DEVCYCLE? Maybe I want to run DEVCYCLE every time that my page reloads. No, I don't want to run every time my page loads. I want to run it once. Yeah, I guess it is here. But now it only runs that once, but then if something updates... Oh, I guess that's why I've got my server-side stuff in my docs. I understand this a bit more now. Server-side SDKs, Node JS, bootstrapping SSR. Enable client bootstrapping. Spaces not just for client side for server. Freezing the client side. Use data. User agent. Fast evaluation. So all the pieces in Remix with React loader gets specific config. Okay, this is just confusing. I don't love that. I don't love that. I don't know how we would actually deal with this otherwise. So that's because it's actually running all of this stuff just at the time the server is set up. We don't want to run it every time the page is reloaded. Could do this as middleware, but we don't love that. We don't love that. Don't love that. We don't love that. We don't love that. We don't like that. Rule changes. Hold on. Maybe it'll be fine now. What did I do here? Maybe it was just the change. What if I change over here now? Version off. Do I actually need to reset? Yeah, we would actually need to like go in here because it's not telling the server to reinitialize unless I save this, and then if I refresh, it is telling it. Oh, what? Wait, which? Oh, it's because I'm in memory provider first. In memory provider. Memory provider, refresh, and that's false. But now if we change this to true, maybe that's what it was. Maybe it was just false. No, because it's still initializing and it's not actually sending, so no matter what I do here, it's always going to return false until something changes on the server. So I'm always going to have to run DEVCYCLE, constant memory, run DEVCYCLE. Yeah, I feel like right now I'm just gonna have to run DEVCYCLE on every load. What was my custom middleware? App async. Get message, hello middleware, custom logger, custom header. I think. Go with this. And where'd the get DEVCYCLE, run DEVCYCLE? It's not an ideal situation way to do this, but I feel like this is also just my DEVCYCLE. Whoa, what's going on there? No, nothing inside DEVCYCLE. Let's look over here. It does not like that. Undefined is not an object. Hold on. Wait, what? Let's clear this. Clear. Then refresh this. Are we still getting? No, we're in this error here. True. What if I change it now to off? False. Save. I feel like this will do it because. Okay, so that's technically doing it because it's kind of like a custom middleware. So it's actually every time that the page is loading, any page is loading, it'll do that now. It's not the end of the world. It basically will force it to do a check, but it's a lot of initializing DEVCYCLE and the in-memory provider, but I suppose that's okay. But I mean, it was easy to do. Yeah, I mean, and then we can just use it in here. So, right, like we can return different things. So like if I want to do, so I can do 2 views. Let's call this on, and then I'll call the other one off. On. I'll call the other one off. 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 Save. I'll call this one on, and then I'll do just like an if else. If blue flag, return on. Else return off. All right, so let's see if that works. Internal server error. Why are we getting an internal server error? Undefined is not an object. Oh, I guess it was just the first time. Okay, so like now it's working. It's doing what we want it to do. But if we wanted to set up targeting rules instead of all users, because this is all just like all user stuff. Let's actually target based on user name. So we'll add a custom property, add property, property key name, property type, string, add property, string is Andrew, show off. And otherwise we want to show on. Name your rule, select value, serve all users, everyone else. A definition, all users, select value on. Okay, so if we update this, so basically now if the name is Andrew, it should serve off, and everyone else should get on if it's calling DEVCYCLE. I think, was that the rule that I set? It should be off if the name is Andrew, on for everybody else. So what is the name? No, name is Andrew. All users, Andrew. Andrew, name is Andrew, custom. Oh, I feel like it's because of the way that I'm structuring it. Hold on. It's like the way I'm structuring the data. Yeah, custom data. Oh no, name. All of these properties will be set on DEVCYCLE users, set context, ID. No one does these from the open feature context to the DEVCYCLE user object. User contract context. For example, all of these DEVCYCLE user context properties that are not known, DEVCYCLE user properties will automatically add custom data. Okay. So they'll be added to custom data. Oh, so they will be added as custom data. So that should have showed up as user ID 1, name Andrew. So it should. That's weird. That should actually be showing. Am I in the right thing? So I got this Boolean flag. Okay, so it should be reading DEVCYCLE first. And my rule is saying Andrew, if name is Andrew, enter value Andrew in my development rules. So variation off. Everyone else, I don't know if I say just like username is not Andrew. Variation on. So maybe I just want to have it on for me and off for everybody else. Okay, so now it doesn't see that. So maybe just the way that I'm defining the text, set context, user context, user ID, user context, set context, name. Yeah, that should be. So is it not seeing this? User context. No, user context. Await. Yeah, so it's calling that. Set context, user context. And it should be calling DEVCYCLE. Okay, great. What's my rule? Off. So what's my rule here? Oh, I wonder if it's actually returning the default value. Change this to true here. Does this actually update? Nope. No, it is actually returning false. It's not seeing that targeting rule. Does not see that this is Andrew. So that should be returning false. Yeah, so it should be returning false. Right? Custom property, name. Do I need to add a property? No, it would have created that custom property. Yeah, that should. Name is not Andrew, name is Andrew. Did I spell it wrong? Feature client, set context, private custom data. Yeah, name. Oh, maybe it's looking for the exact. Let's just do all lowercase, see if that makes a difference. I don't think it would, but you never know. Maybe it's just the way I've got targeting rules set up to Andrew. Name is Andrew. Variation on. It's not Andrew. Save. So weird. Internal server, yeah, so it's not Andrew. So there I'm sending the name, and it should be setting that name to, should be converting that. Can I do OpenFeature get context? Console log OpenFeature dot get context. Feature client. OpenFeature client. Get context. I can. Oh, hold on. Undefined is not an object. Oh, hold on. Yeah, name Andrew. That's odd. So it is sending that. Whether that's being read by DEVCYCLE or not is the question. Well, let's see if it's getting the main data. Let's just go user ID equals 456. And then we'll go in here and we'll just do it based on like user ID. Oh, hold on. User ID 456, variation on, or that's variation off. So this should only show on. 456. And if I go in here and change to for this, because I updated this, right? 456, user 456, all users off. Yes, it's fine. So that now should go to off. Okay, yeah. So this is exactly what I wanted to be doing. So it is actually working. It's just not reading this name. I don't know if it is actually converting this. So what it says in here is that it should be converted, should be automatically added to the custom data property of DEVCYCLE user. Do I use DEVCYCLE user anywhere? Oh, maybe I do. I feel like there was something about DEVCYCLE user that I decided to just ignore. DEVCYCLE user. Yeah, this is one. DEVCYCLE user. Context user. Where's this? Where did I actually use this? Oh, whoops. Oh, yeah, I don't actually use that. Import. User name. User one name. Set context user. Is it because of where I'm setting the context? Maybe it's because of where I'm setting the context. Let's just get rid of that. Yeah, like let's see if I run it down here. Yeah, that may be what it is. Let's just go back to these targeting rules against the name again. Name is Andrew, lowercase, variation on, everybody else serve off, save. Oh no, no, it's still user context. No, so still something fishy with this application. Again, it may just be the way that I'm doing this stuff. Or it may be something. It may just be something with that, which is fine. It's fine. I don't love it, but I mean, I suppose I have to deal with it. If I set it in here, where's that name in here? Do it this way. Move everything back. Oh, set that there. Okay, we can get rid of this though. What time are we at? Yeah, I'm gonna finish up in just a minute. Let's call this name. I'll call this Andrew. Okay, and now that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Refresh in our application. Yeah. So this is it's not actually converting name. Oh, maybe this is just with the multi-provider. It's not doing that. Maybe, did we actually talk about that in the multi-provider docs? Multi-provider. We may not have we may have even be talked about in here. Yeah, so not quite in the multi-provider. There's something that's going awry. But either way, we got this working. So I'm like freaking over the moon. And yes, we've got these errors, but like I know what these are from. It's because we're not doing like an if statement. Like it's just, if I change this to like if OpenFeature-compliant. If open, oh yeah, let's actually do that. It's not equal undefined. Yes, that should. Yeah. So like that's fine. So it's just because off after that initial load, but now it'll be fine. And I can actually change this over here. To variation off, and it'll update and there won't be an issue again. So there we go. Hono. There it is. We got it. It works. Y'all stuck around. 20 of you, 21 of you on different channels. I'm pretty pumped. Thanks for being here. Let's close that down. Let's bring me back to the center. Thanks for being here. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you enjoyed what you saw in Hono. I did. Hono. I really enjoyed it. I thought it was a lot of fun. Oh, my Wi-Fi is struggling, which is not ideal. Oh, there we go. We're getting some signal back. So let me move this over here so I can look you all in the face as I say farewell. If you enjoyed this, we're normally back every Friday. We won't be back next Friday because I will be in Berlin at the We Are Developers Conference. So stay tuned for that. Otherwise, I want to just again say thank you all so much for sticking around for the last couple hours. It's always a lot of fun to hang out with you and talk feature flags and all the rest of the fun stuff that we talked about today. If you're interested, check out Hono. I'll put the link in the description of this YouTube video afterwards. And otherwise, please be sure to join our Discord community at the link that's been down there below all day. And otherwise, we will see you all around the DEVCYCLE community. Thanks, everybody. Have a great rest of your day and a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.